Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna discuss about the how to do the dot vector product in Python using the NumPy and PyTorch libraries in Google Colab. Now, the scalar or vector product is one of the basic operation of applied mathematics. So it has application in machine learning and deep learning. Now, the dot product is actually pretty simple to compute. You just multiply element by element in the vector in sequential order, and you sum them up together. So as you can see right here, I created two vector x and y using the array method in the NumPy library, and I give this initial value right here. Now, when you want to do the dot product and NumPy, all you have to do is just call this dot method right here and pass into vector x and y. As you can see right here, right, the order that you pass it in does not matter. Both of them give the same results result of 98. And you can see right here, right, you can check the dot product in NumPy by just going and doing a simple vector multiplication element wise, and then sum them together, and you also get the same result of 98. As you can see right here, the Python provide all the library that can also calculate the dot product. The PiTouch library right here, for example, here I create two tensor x and y. I should call this tensor instead of vector right here, but I just want to keep it consistent. And then here you can see that you can also do the dot product of x and y, and it's also give the same result right here. You can see right here 98 and 98. And then you can also see right here, right? You can check the vector, the calculation of the dot product by just going there and multiply element wise the tensor together and sum them up, and this also give us 98 right here. Okay, and then the one requirement of the dot product is that the dimension of the size should be the same. You can see right here, right? I have a vector of 4 elements and I have a vector of 3 elements. So when I do the dot product, it gives us an error because of a different dimension right here. Okay, and then finally, there's a convolution operation in deep learning that is kind of similar to the vector dot product. So if you have a matrix of 3 by 3 right here, another matrix of 3 by 3 right here, you can do the this method right here, calculation right here, where you multiply matrix x and y element by element y and sum them up together, and this also result in the scalar right here. So this thing right here is kind of similar to the vector dot product. All right, so I hope this short tutorial right here helps. Thank you everyone and have a good day.